Alright, so in this video I'm gonna show you how I use bookmark. So I'm gonna go to TMB and create a new directory called bookmark. Let's see into that directory. Now on my system I have a file named bookmarks, and I'm not gonna use that file right now. So I'm gonna create a new bookmark file. In this file we're gonna have, let's say I have Facebook and then facebook.com, and then I have Instagram.com, I have Google, and say to add something different, I'm gonna add the HTTPS as well. So, and then I have YouTube, okay, and then youtube.com, ChatGPT, ChatGPT.com. That's okay. So when I save the file, okay, as you can see, is auto sort the file because I have this line in my vimrc. Okay, so before I write to the file named bookmark and other files, it's gonna run the short command. So I have this in my neo vim config, so it's gonna be auto sorted. Okay, let's cat bookmark file. Okay, so as you can see, this is my bookmark file. It's gonna have the name of the site and then the URL to that site. Okay, so you have to follow this format for this to work. Okay, so to beautify this file, I'm gonna vim into it and I'm gonna select everything and then bind this into column -T-O space. Okay, it's look much better. First, we need to talk about how browsers work. Okay, so when I type Firefox and I give it a string, let's say chatgpt.com, and it's gonna run ChatGPT. Okay, that's it. It's really simple. We just run browser. Let's say you have Chromium and you give it the URL, it can has the protocol or not. Okay, this doesn't matter. Okay, so let's say google.com. It's gonna go to google.com. That's it. It's really simple. Okay, and the second thing I'm gonna talk about is the awk command. Okay, so when you use awk and then you follow this format, $1, it's gonna print the first column of the file, of the given file. Okay, and if you use 2 here, it's gonna print the second column. Okay, and for 2 we can change this to NF to print the last column. Okay, so because this file only have 2 columns, so the last column is going to be the same as the second column. Okay, so then we have the set command -N. Okay, so set command does a lot of things, but I'm just gonna talk about this option. Okay, so when you set -N and you give it a number, let's say 3, and then B, and then you give it the file name, it's gonna print the third line of the file, right? This 1, 2, 3, the first line, the first line of the file. So when I set -N and then 4, B, and the name, it's gonna print the fourth line of the file. That's it. So I think you get the idea, right? Let's say I set -N 3, the bookmark file, and then I pipe this into awk, and then I print this last column. Boom. Oh, okay, I forgot to be here. Right, you're gonna get the URL, right? You're gonna get the third line and just the second column, the last column, right? And if it's the last column of the third line. Okay, so when you run awk, print the second column of the file, right? And then you pipe this into row feed D menu. You're gonna have the second column is all the URLs. Okay, but I don't want this. I want the first column, right? And then we got the beautiful names right here. Okay, let's me make it look bigger. Let me increase the font size. Yeah, here you get the beautiful names, right? And when you select something, let's say you type face, you're gonna select Facebook. But this is useless, right? This is useless. We want the line number. We don't want the title. The title is useless. right? You can't just Firefox Facebook. It does nothing. Okay, so you need to get the line number, and for the line number we're going to use the format argument and then D. Okay, now when I select YouTube, it's going to print the line number. Okay, I can use I to print the index, but index is going to start from 0. Okay, and we don't want to count line number from 0. Okay, we need the first line, the second line. We don't need the 0 line. It doesn't make sense, right? Let's say I choose ChatGPT here. It's gonna print 0. I can't use this in the set command, right? So I'm gonna use D. I'm gonna use D to print. The first option is gonna be 1. Right now, I'm gonna do this. Okay, follow me here. Okay, we're gonna do awk. We're gonna use set -n, and then the output of this command awk print first column of the bookmark file. Pipe that into row feed D menu format D, and then B. Okay, so this is gonna return the line number, and we need B here for the syntax, right? And the B bookmark file. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's say I choose Google. Oh yeah, I think we are getting there, right? We have an option to run all the beautiful names. We don't have the URL here, and then we can just use this to select and have the line number and then print out the URL here. And to get only the URL, we're gonna pipe this into awk and print the last column. Okay, let's say I choose Facebook, and we just get the URL. Now we can use this Firefox and then the output of this command, right? Because we get the URL. So Firefox, and this is gonna run the URL here, ChatGPT. Okay, as you can see, everything is working just fine. Right, now we're gonna turn this this one line code into a script, right? And I'm gonna write everything again. Let's say I create a script named B menu for bookmark menu. Okay, and then we give it this. All right, and then we're gonna have a variable named selection or option or whatever you want. Okay, right, and it's gonna be the output of this command. Okay, awk print first column to get the names of the bookmark file. Pipe that into row feed for selection. D menu format D. Alright, now we have selection is gonna be a number. Okay, it's gonna be the line number, right? So if we select something, right, if a -n is for if not empty, right? If the cell variable is not empty, then run Firefox, and here, follow me here. Okay, we gonna set the line number is gonna be cell, right? Cell B, and the file is gonna be bookmarked. And so we have the title and the URL, so we just need the URL. We're gonna pipe this into print the last column. Boom, boom, boom. Now, okay, let's see if anything wrong here. Right, now we're gonna run B menu. We have this. So let's say I want to go to Google. Okay, everything is working, and we have some gibberish, right? I don't want this, so I'm gonna silence everything. So in here, down here, we're gonna have exec, pipe everything into dev no, and then pipe to N1, right? And down here, instead of just running Firefox, I'm gonna run set sit -f and then Firefox, right? So I don't want the bookmark file to be the same location as the script. So we're gonna modularize, is that the word? Make everything more modular, right? We're gonna run browser equal Firefox, right? And then we change this to browser, right? And the bookmark is gonna be a variable, right? Let's say I want it to be in home /.logo share bookmarks, right? If I want it to be that far, so we're gonna change this to bookmarks, right? And here, right? That's it. This is how I use bookmark. So let's say this example, I'm gonna use the bookmark is in the current directory. So when I run B menu here, I'm gonna have a list of websites, and then I go to Google. Everything is working just fine. That's it. Let's say I want to add something into my bookmark. Okay, I'm gonna edit this file, and I say my personal website, right? And it's gonna be key2.io.vn, right? And then here, all right. So when I run B menu and I select block, and it's gonna go to my personal website. That's it. It's really simple. Because I'm recording, so it's getting a little laggy, but yeah, trust me, it works. Okay.